acne, pimples and sudden breakouts? If Neem has always been your mom's best remedy, then this video is right for you. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel Beauty Made Easy. Today I'm sharing some DIY Neem skincare remedies that can work amazingly on your oily, acne-prone skin. So if you want clear, healthy skin at home naturally, then keep on watching.
You will need some fresh neem leaves. That's it, just one ingredient will make a huge difference. Wash the leaves in water thoroughly. Add them to mix a jar to make a paste. Grind them. Take a cup of water, add the neem paste to it. Mix well. Now pour the neem water into an ice cube tray. Freeze it for 5 to 6 hours. This is how it looks after 6 hours.
After washing your face, pop an ice cube and rub the ice cube all over your face. This neem infused ice cube is very good for your pimples and acne. This reduces the size of pimples and also prevents it from coming back.
Take neem leaves, wash them thoroughly in water. Remove the leaves from a stance. Dry them in shade for 4 to 5 days. After 4 days, when the leaves are completely dry and able to crush them with your fingers, put them in a mixer to grind them. This is how it looks after grinding. Filter the powder. Now your homemade neem powder is ready.
First, take a clean bowl. Add 2 teaspoons of neem powder. Add 2 to 3 drops of tea tree essential oil. Add 2 teaspoons of rose water. Mix it well. Apply this face mask twice a week to see pimples and acne disappear. Tea tree oil prevents acne and it also prevents the further skin infection. Clear skin doesn't come from perfection. It comes from understanding what works for you the best. And neem is one of those timeless classic ingredients. If this video helped you even a little bit, then don't just watch, take action. Hit the like button, subscribe button and let me know your thoughts. Until the next time, take care. Bye.